Hey everyone, this is AI Smart Hustles. And today, you're going to discover the AI Money Matrix, a single workflow that spins one idea into 5 income streams, all on autopilot. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, and your bank notifications light up with sales, affiliate commissions, and ad revenue.
While you sweat.
No fluff, no complicated codes. Just one idea and free AI tools. Here's how it works. 1. The seed idea. Pick one evergreen topic, like healthy meal planning, remote work tips, or budget travel hacks. Keep it broad enough to sell digital products, but specific enough to target hungry audiences. 2. AI Content Reactor. Export as PDF. Feed that seed into ChatGPT with this prompt. Create 5 distinct digital products around your topic: an ebook outline, a 7-day email course, a 60-second TikTok script, a YouTube video script, and 10 social media captions. In seconds, you've got 5 ready-made products. 3. AI Product Builder. Ebook. Paste the outline into Google Docs and let ChatGPT expand each chapter into full text. Use ChatGPT to write short Google and Facebook ad copy and run micro-budget campaigns targeting your niche keywords. Email course. Use ChatGPT's formatting to craft engaging daily lessons. Schedule on MailChimp's free plan. To TikTok videos, take each 60-second script, paste into CapCut AI Video Maker. Generate vertical videos with AI voiceover and captions. YouTube video. Combine all snippets into a 3-minute video in CapCut AI's landscape mode, utilizing auto-generated visuals, voice, and subtitles. Social Media Kit. Upload the 10 captions plus AI-generated images from Canva AI to buffer for a week of posts. 4. Traffic and Funnel AI. Build a simple landing page with cards free tier. Embed your email course sign-up and drive traffic from your TikTok and YouTube videos. 5. AI Revenue Engine. I'll send you everything you need to launch your AI Money Matrix this week. AI does the heavy lifting while you refine strategy and scale. Always customize. Add your personal story, sprinkle in data points, and use branded intros and outros. That's how you stand out. Monetize each product. Sell the ebook for $7 on Gumroad. Offer the email course as a free lead magnet, then upsell a premium video workshop. Turn on notifications. I drop new AI workflows and income hacks every week. Enable YouTube monetization and affiliate links in video descriptions. Use TikTok's Creator Fund and brand sponsorships. Promote merchandise or print-on-demand goods with your designs from Canva AI. If you want my exact ChatGPT prompts, card templates, and CapCut project files, hit subscribe. Tap like and comment matrix below. So why this works? You're not juggling 5 separate ideas. You're multiplying one idea across platforms and products. But beware, low-effort AI slop gets penalized by algorithms. Ready to build your own AI money matrix? Smash like, comment start matrix, and subscribe to AI Smart Hustles. Remember, in 2025, the smartest hustlers won't chase trends, they'll engineer systems. Let's build yours together.